equipping people, doesn't have to just be in business, of course, but equipping people to respond powerfully to the new normal and what's expected moving forward. And I think if we dive straight in, because we've got valuable time with everyone here today, the thing that I think we don't often consider, but in a forum like this we can explore, is that stress actually, what's great about this awareness is that stress doesn't come from a situation, really, when you think about it. It comes from our inability to deal with that situation. Now, of course, it can seem that way, but we can all think of times when maybe we were doing something for the first time and now it's really normal. We were exposed to a new situation and now we do it without thinking. So I think we can all relate to the fact that as we grow in our awareness and capability, what used to be challenging no longer remains a challenge.